Hello everyone, so I received this teleprompter from Temu. Okay, I'm gonna open it. I got already the Pirate teleprompter. I'm gonna try to see this one, how it look like. User manual, the teleprompter itself. What do we have under here? This teleprompter is very cheap. This is what we got. I'm gonna open it. Okay. This one is ready mount. You can see it here. Okay. This is my camera, Canon M50. I got the Pirate teleprompter already. I'm gonna remove it. I've been using this one for over 4 years now. Now let's open. I believe the ring are inside here, like this one. Yeah, I got the remote, kind of big. This is the Pirate remote, but this one make noise when you click. This to clean. Those are the ring. I'm gonna only need this one, 49. The same as this one here. For the Pirate, as you can see here, the Pirate teleprompter, I'm using also 49 here for my Canon M50. So I can leave this one here. Let's see if I can use the Pirate teleprompter. Oh yeah, okay. I see. So I see this need to go like this. Yeah, I can absolutely use my Pirate teleprompter ring, and then we put the phone here. I'm gonna test this now and see. So this is the teleprompter, as you can see here. Okay, this one is bigger than the Pirate teleprompter. Is the remote. I'm gonna need batteries for it. I'm gonna put some now, and I'm gonna test it. It look bigger than the Pirate. It's actually bigger than the Pirate. This is the Pirate teleprompter. It's absolutely, you can see it's small. So this one is bigger than the Pirate, and it's very cheaper than the Pirate teleprompter. So I found one problem with the app. Okay, they say we need to scan this QR code here for Android users to download the app. So I'm gonna do it. As you can see here, so this is the link. It's a website. So here, open view, nothing happened. WeChat, nothing. So the app is not working. I've even copied this link, went to my computer, nothing. It's not working. So what I'm trying to use right now is my Pirate app, my Pirate Teleprompter. So this is the app, and the remote work with that Pirate app, as you can see here. So if you got the Pirate app, or you can just go download it and use this one, because the app is not working. The remote is working, as you can see. So you can also use this button here to move inside the app as a mouse. As you can see here, it's moving. You can go up, and then you press this one here. But remember, you need to switch on keys mode from like this here. When you switch it on, you will be able to use you see, you'll be able to use it. Okay, now we are going to install the cell phone board. Okay, this is the cell phone board. This one here, as you know, or you know it already. So it's got its own bracket here. This one, it's got the screw, and it's got a lens shading panel. Okay, this lens shading panel will go here. Put it like this, and then this one we'll install it like this. No, like this, like this. You see here? So we're gonna put the screw on this corner here, where the big hole is. Yes. And it's tight. You open here like this. Oh, Samsung. Make sure the camera is going to this hole here. As you can see, I cannot see my camera, so my camera is this side. It's supposed to face here, so I'm gonna untie it here, move it like this until exactly like this. You can see my camera is in, and I'm gonna tighten it. As you can see my camera here, you can see, you put it back like this, and then, as you know, you install your cell phone here. You can open the screw here, and then you install your cell phone like this. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.